The first quarter of 2024 is over, and you cannot boast of some of these in your accounts. I know it's absurd. But what if I tell you there's a beautiful way, amazing way, incredible ways to make some passive amount of money this year just using your phone online? You are wasting your phone's capability. You're not using it to its full potential. I know there are a lot of content online where they're going to tell you that make some money on Amazon, make some money on Etsy, make some money on YouTube, make some money. This is none of that. This is an amazing, incredible thing that you'll be doing every single day. In your bedroom, you do this. When you go to the market, you do this. When you go to school, you do this. When you go to church, you do this. In your backyard, you do this. But you're going to turn this into something very, very amazing, incredible, authentic, that is going to give you some incredible amount of money this year. So a lot of people will tell you that if you want to make money online, do some drop shipping on Amazon. Drop shipping on Amazon is picking some stuff somewhere, maybe from Alibaba, maybe AliExpress, and selling them on Amazon, Etsy, Walmart, eBay for some cash. Or somebody can tell you that do print on demand. Print on demand is designing your own logos, or maybe your own bots, just like mine. And I go to Amazon, or maybe I go to Walmart. They have where they say print on demand. So you upload your designs, and anytime somebody click your design, you make some money. When somebody click your design, you make some money. So designs is being sold with a t-shirt, maybe a hoodie like this one, or maybe, a boxer. It can even be a pant, whatever it is. So that is print on demand. Somebody can also tell you that, why don't you monetize on YouTube? Why don't you monetize your blog? I tell you that, those stuffs requires a whole lot of work. What I'm going to share with you does not require any work. It is something that you've been doing every single day. And as I'm going to reveal to you, it's going to shock you. So when you check online, there are a lot of photos that you can use for your project. If you're a creative designer, there are a lot of high quality photos or videos you can use in your project. This is what you are also going to do. Your iPhone, I know your iPhone can take quality images, it can take quality photos. Whether you have iPhone XR, whether you have iPhone 8, whether you have iPhone X all the way to iPhone 15, or whether you are using Samsung S24 Ultra or S23 Ultra or S22 Ultra or S20 Ultra all the way to Samsung S8 or X7, there's no boundaries. This is something that I know you love doing. Everybody loves taking pictures. Yes, I love taking pictures in the bathroom. I love taking pictures in the markets. I love taking pictures when I go to the zoo, when I visit the sea, when I visit every single place that I go, I take images. But I'm going to turn these images into some decent amount of money that is going to shock you. So you can sell any of your pictures. You're going to get something like 25 cents all the way to thousands of dollars. Yes, you heard me right. And this is going to give you some financial freedom. Just as, I'm looking flashy and nice and baby. So you heard me right. There are a lot of platforms that will allow you to sell your iPhone images, your Samsung images, and make some passive amount of money. You're going to get somewhere between 15% all the way to 65%. Platform varies. So there's a lot of platforms that I'm going to take you through very quick ASAP. So I get to get every single one of them. These are some of the platforms: Envato, Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock, Getty Images, FreePic, 123RP, Dreamtime, and a whole lot of platforms that will take your images and give you some amount of money. So anytime somebody buy one of your photos, the money comes to you. You can also design for somebody who design like me. I'm a creative designer, so I designed this amazing bots in my hoodie. So you can also design something and go and put them over there. They have a creator section where you get to upload all your amazing designs. And anytime somebody click on something, the money comes to you. Anytime somebody click on something, the money comes to you. Yes, so this year, you're going to change your life. You can take wider images, portraits. You can go to the sea, take some amazing images. You can see some animals, take some amazing images. You can see some children, take some amazing images. You can see some trees, take some amazing images. You can see some artifacts, take some amazing images. And that is how you are going to make millions of dollars, or millions of series, or millions of euros, or millions of crowns this year. We are going to have our financial freedom. We are going to have a financial freedom. We are going to have a financial freedom. Yes, the poverty is no more. Don't grieve for anything in 2024. 2024 is a year of blessing, abundance, transformation, and a whole lot of things that you can, mention. So this year we are having our financial freedom. This is how we are going to make some passive amount of money, and you don't even have to go through a whole lot of things. You're gonna take a few steps for your images to be approved. All you have to do is that you make sure that you are taking blur-free images, noise-free images, sharper images. You're making sure that your images are clear, are amazing, are very nice. And I tell you, I know that your iPhone can take better images than even high-end cameras that we have today. So your iPhone can take amazing. I use my phone to record my videos. See how clear my video is. See how amazing my video is. So I can just go and stand somewhere and record something. Maybe make talk and do some kind of reaction. And I upload them online. And when the time somebody likes any of them, the money comes to me. So that is what I'm talking about. So you're going to follow me to my next room, where I'm going to open my laptop, then visit a few of these websites, then show you how you're going to register them, how you're going to upload your images, how you're going to upload your photos, how you're going to upload your vector designs, your Photoshop designs, your Illustrator designs for some cash this year. This has nothing to do with shading you or maybe lying to you or all of that. You can go to the platform and read them all by yourself. All these are amazing, creative, best, amazing, fantastic, well-known websites where you can make tons amount of money just using your phone. You've been using your phone every single day. You take images everywhere you go. You take images of your friends, your family, your peers, your colleagues, even those that you don't love. You still take images of them, and these photos you can upload them online to make some amount of money. Yes, this year our financial freedom has been given to us. Let's go to my next room. Sorry. Let's go. So let's start by visiting freepik.com. So this is freepik.com, and then looking at freepik.com, this is freepik.com. You have amazing photos that you can show. You see photos right over here. You have thousands of photos people have taken and uploaded them here. So they have free section and they have a premium section. So I'm just going to search one of them, maybe man. Yes, so you see the crown over here. Yes, these are photos of people and they are selling these photos here. So this is what you are also going to do. After you are done shooting your photos, first of all, you are going to register. I have already registered, so I'll come all the way down here. All the way down here and say cash in your creation. Cash in your creation. Cash in your creation. Yeah, so you can sell anything over here, from design, graphics, all the way to your own photos. So yeah, that was what I was talking about. It says sell your content over here. So you click on sell your content, and you see it over here. Become a contributor. Become a contributor. So that is it. If I have to log in, I say log in right over here. Log in, yes, and then you have to accept to the terms and conditions, and you are good to go. Second, let's go to Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock. Here it is. Adobe Stock. Yep. So let's go to photos. So here are thousands of photos that you can pick. All these photos are for sale. So any one that you need, you have to sell them. So this is business, this is people, technology, travel. I told you, whatever you want to do. So if it's your traveling images, your animals, your landscape, taking, some photos of mountains, some photos of, nature, whatever it is. So you click on people. Yeah, you see in the section they have people, teamwork, children, families, women, group photo, friends, baby. So whatever photos that you want to take, you can upload them right over here. And then once you are done, you're going to log in. So when you log in, so let me just log in real quick. Log in real quick. Then log in with video. You can continue with you can see Facebook over there on Apple if you are using an Apple. And just log in with your Apple. So Adobe Stock. And once we are done with this, we go straight to Shutterstock. So here is it. They sell. You see sell right over here. Have to accept to the terms and condition. So after you accept to the terms and condition, you can click and read about terms. I know most people don't like to read about terms and conditions, but it should read about terms and conditions. So yeah, this is where you upload your photos, and then you can see available earnings is right over here. Once somebody buys something, you make your money. This is beautiful, isn't it? So let's go to our Shutterstock. Shutterstock. Voila! Yeah, Shutterstock. You click on Shutterstock. And then let's wait for it to open. Okay, so you're going to log in. So some of the platforms vary. Some are very expensive. You know, their images are going to be, sold in expensive way. And one of the beautiful things is that you get to price your images. So whatever, if you want to sell it for $1, maybe $2, $3, $20, all the way to $100, but it's your own problem. So yes, let me start with Benjamin. Continue. Yeah, let us continue right over here. So this is pricing. If you want to, if you want to buy images, you have it over here. Pick your plan, your image plan. So let's say if it's 10 image per month, it's $2. We have 2 images for $11, and so there's a lot of money you can make right over here. So that's what I'm talking about. Let's go to the creator section. Creator. Sell your content partner. That is right over here. You sell your content to them. Get started. So this is where that you're going to upload your things and start earning some decent amount of money. You can see right over here. So you have to log in. Once you register, then you go through a few steps, and then you get your photos being uploaded there. Let's go to Getty Images very soon. Very quick. This is Getty Images. This is another platform where you can sell your photos. So you sell in. Let me log in fast with my username. I don't know if I've registered this platform before, but if I haven't, then I'm only going to log in. These people are not allowing me to. Nope. Register. They don't have any portion where you can log in with social media. So yeah, you just have to register this platform, and you can also sell your photos right over here. Let's go to Dream Time. This is Dream Time. Okay, so log in to Dream Time. I cannot visit all the websites, but I'm going to leave all the website, all the links to all the website where you can sell your amazing photos and make some passive amount of money this year. bbtechie here, and thank you for watching this episode of bbtechie. This is an amazing thing that can change your life this year. This is nothing about lies and all of that. All these platforms that I've shown to you are real-time platform, very famous platform that I've used so many years. A lot of content creators will let you also know about them. So this is a true way to make some passive amount of money this year. So that being said, can you subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and also you can share off, and also you can follow me on any of my social media platforms if you're watching me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or anywhere you find this video. Also, comments if you have any problems, if you have any queries, if you have any suggestions, whatever it is, let me know in the comment section below. And if this video has helped you, can you share to at least 2 or 3 of your friends who also benefit from this incredible insights. bbtechie here, and at this point I'm gonna go out, but I'll come back very soon with another captivating and amazing video, as I always do. At this point, peace out.